السلام عليكم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن شاء الله احنا ده ماس group 3 algebra. Our lesson today we're talking about solving two equations. The two equations, one of them first degree and the second equation say in second degree. And the two equations are in two variable. Like this example, we want to solve this equation. Find in R time R the solution set of the following two equations. The first equation is x minus y equal 1, and the second equation is x power 2 plus y power 2 equals 13. Our lesson today, we want to find the value of x and y in the two equations. That suffice the two equations. How can we solve this equation? We solve this equation by substituting the first equation. The equation is the first degree in second degree as the following. First, the first equation x minus y equal 1. This equation has two variables, x and y, and the x and y are in first degree. And the second equation x power 2 plus y power 2 equals 13. And x is in second degree while y is second degree. We want to find the value of x and y. How? We use the first equation x minus y equal 1 and express it by x only or y only. How? If x minus y if x minus y equal 1, x minus y equal 1, we know that we can negative y add when we add y to both sides, we can express x equal 1 plus y. Here x is a 1 plus y. We use this symbol or this expression in substituting in second degree. Substituting in second degree. Now, the second equation is x power 2 plus y power 2 equals 13. We say that x equal 1 plus y. We can express it x by 1 plus y. We get 1 plus y power 2 plus y power 2 equals 13. This equation now has one variable. The one variable is y. Here is the one variable is y. And this equation is second degree. We simplify it by expanding the binomial power 2, اللي هو 1 plus y all power 2. We know that 1 plus y all power 2, if you want to expand it, we get three terms. The first term is the first power 2. 1 power 2 is 1. Here is 1. And the third term is the second is power 2. اللي هي y power 2 equal y power 2. And this is the middle term. The middle term. يبقى 2 is the middle term. We get the middle term how? We multiply the first by the second by 2. 1 times y equal y. 1y times 2 equal 2y. يبقى 1 plus y all power 2. We get these three terms. They are 1 plus 2y plus y power 2. And y plus y power 2 minus 13. We simplify it by adding the like terms. Y power 2 plus y power 2. We get 2y power 2. And 2y plus 1 minus 13. We know that 1 plus 1 minus 13 equal negative 12. We get this equation now. This equation is a 2y power 2 plus 2y minus 12. We can simplify it by divide each term by 2. We get y power 2 plus y minus 6 equals 0. Here this equation has one variable and second degree. We solve it by using the general formula or factorization. خلاص تمام. We solve this equation y power 2 plus y minus 6 equal 0. We use the factorization. يبقى y minus 2 plus y plus 3 equal 0. We know that y minus 2 times y plus 3 equals 0. يبقى y equal 2 or y equal negative 3. we use the now we use the first expression اللي هي y x equal 1 plus y. if ال y equal 2 if ال y equal 2 يبقى here ال x equal b 3 and if ال y equal negative 3 يبقى ال x it will be equal negative 2 because we say before ان ال x equal 1 plus y. عادل يقول لي الانترنت فصل. يبقى the solution set we write two order pair. The first order pair we must write the x at first and the y at second. X equal b3 and the y equal b2 and the second order pair is negative 2 and the negative 3. This is a solution set. وانا بعمل كده ازاي؟ مثلا صح الشغل. This is the first example. Again, we which is the first example again. Our lesson today we talking solving two equation. The first equation has two variable in first, and second equation has two variable, and one of them is second degree. We solve it by what? By replace the first equation in the second equation. I replace the equation that has first degree and the equation has second degree. We express x minus y equal 1. We express it by x equal 1 plus y and replace every x by 1 plus y in second is this equation. Yeah, x power 2 plus y power 2. Then the next example, find in RR the solution set of the following two equations y minus x equals 3 and the x power 2 plus xy equal 5 equal 5. In this example, we have two equations. The two equation is y minus x equals 3 and this equation has two variables in first degree. The second equation x power 2 plus xy equal 5 has two variables and one of them in second degree. X power 2 is second degree. How can we solve it? We say we can replace the equation in first degree on second degree or express y minus x equals 3 y minus x y minus x equals 3. We can say the y equals 3 plus x or x plus 3 or x plus 3. Here y equal a 3 plus x. We can replace this form, this a form. This formula y equals 3 by plus x in the equation to x power 2 plus xy equal 5. We can replace hy by 3 plus x. The second equation we say what? X power 2 plus xy equal 5. We can replace y by 3 plus x. The equation will be what? Will be x power 2 plus x multiply bracket 3 plus x equal 5. Now in this equation we can say we have one variable. One variable, what was the one variable is x. One variable is x. And we can simplify it. يبقى x power 2 with multiply x by bracket يبقى we distribute x يبقى x multiply 3 it will be 3x. X multiply x it will be positive x power 2 and then we can 5 it will be negative 5 in other hand. But the other hand, left hand side will be 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 5 and the right hand it will be 0. It will be 0. We can solve this equation by general formula or factorization. In this example, I solve it by factorization. 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. I factorize it by two brackets. The first bracket is 2x plus 5, and the other bracket x minus 1 equals 0. Two brackets multiply them equal 0. If then the first bracket will be 0, and the second bracket will be 0. If the first bracket 2x plus 5 equal be 0, we can find the value of x. It will be negative 5 over 2. We substituting it in the equation of y, the equation of y, because we say but we say and the first one in the y equals 3 plus x. We replace the value of x by negative 5 over 2. يبقى y it will be what? 3 plus negative 5 over 2. يبقى 3 plus negative 5 over 2 يبقى y equal half. y equal half. y equal half when x equal negative 5 over 2. And second bracket x minus 1 equals 0, we can say x equal 1. x equal 1. By substitution in the value of y, the value of y what? y equals 3 plus x. We can find the value of y it will be 4. يبقى x equal 1 when y equal 4. When y equal 4. يبقى the solution set it will be what? It will be two order pair. The first order pair is negative 5 over 2 and a half. This is the first order pair. x equal negative 5 over 2 and the y equal half. The second order pair when x equal 1 y equal 4 يبقى second equal be what? 1 and 4. This is a solution set. But this say the two equation has two answer. The first answer is the negative 5 over 2 and a half. The first solution. The second solution is 1 and 4. This is the second example. The third example. Is word problem. We want to solve this word problem by using this lesson. The example will be the sum of two real numbers is 7, and the difference between their squares is 7. Find the two numbers. Again, the sum of two real numbers is 7, and the difference between their squares is 7. What is the meaning of sum? We know that the meaning of sum is meaning add. يبقى two number is 7 يعني the first number plus second number the equal is 7. And the other statement, the difference between their squares. Their squares, we know that the squares here is meaning power 2. يبقى first number power 2 plus second number power 2 equals 7. We want to express this word problem by using symbol first. How? We let the greatest number be x, and the smallest number it will be y. The first statement, the sum of two real numbers is 7. It meaning what? It meaning x plus y equals 7. Sum between them is equal 7. This is the first equation. X plus y equals 7. How can we get by the first statement? The first statement, the sum of two real numbers is 7. And the difference between their squares. Difference meaning what? Meaning minus. Minus between what? Between their squares. We say the greatest number is x. يبقى x power 2 minus second number power 2 x power 2 minus y power 2 equals 7. Now we have two equations. One of them in first degree in two variables, x and y, equal x plus y equals 7, and the second equation in second degree in two variables. The second equation x power 2 minus y power 2 equals 7. We want to solve these two equations. How? We say we replace the first equation that has two variables in first degree in second equation. How can we express each of the one of two variables by the other? يبقى we can say x plus y equals 7. It meaning is that x equal a 7 minus a minus y. We can say x equal 7 minus y. We substitute this for in the other equation. We replace hx by 7 minus y. يبقى 7 minus y all power 2 minus y power 2 equals 7. We simplify this equation by expanded the bracket power 2. This bracket power 2, we want to expand it. We know that if we want to expand it, we get three terms. The first term is 7 power 2, it will be 49. And the third term, second term power 2, يبقى negative y all power 2, it will be y power 2. And the middle term is the first term by second by 2, يبقى 7 multiply negative y multiply 2, we get negative 14y. يبقى this three terms we get it by expanded the bracket power 2 minus y power 2 equals 7. We simplify it. يبقى عندي now we say that we see y power 2 minus y power 2, we can cancel it, and we will get negative 14y equals 7 minus 49. يبقى 7 minus 49 equals negative 42. يبقى now we get this equation negative 14y equal negative 42, divide the both sides by negative 14, we get the value of y equals 3. The value of y equal what? Equals 3. We find the first value of x. How can we replace our value of y by the first equation اللي هي x equals 7 minus y. يبقى 7 minus the value of y اللي it is 3, يبقى 7 minus 3 equal 4. يبقى ال x equal 4. يبقى the two numbers are 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. That's right. And 4 power 2 equals 16. 3 power 2 equals 9. 16 power 2 equal say 7. يبقى 16 power 2 minus 9 equals 7. The next example. Example number 4. The word problem. The product of two real numbers is 2. And if the greatest added to the twice the smallest result, the result will be 4. Now we read it again. The product of two real numbers is 2. What is meaning the product? We know that the product is meaning multiply. يبقى the multiply of the two numbers is 2. The other statement, the greatest added to twice. What is the meaning added plus? يبقى the greatest number plus twice of the smallest. Result will be say 4. يبقى will be is meaning equal 4. يبقى let the proof the two numbers is x and y. X and y, and the greatest is y. The greatest is y. Now we want to write this word in equation. The product of two numbers is 2, is meaning x times 2 equal x times y equal 2. This is the first statement. The product of two numbers is 2. We say the greatest number it will be y. يبقى y equal plus 2x equal 4. We get it by the other statement. The greatest is added to twice of the smallest number. The result will be 4. That will be what? Will be 4. Will be it meaning equal. يبقى y plus 2x equal 4. يبقى now we have two equations. One of them first and the other on second degree. And the two equation has two variables. What is the second degree? The second degree is xy equal 2. This equation is second degree. And this equation is first degree. We replace one of the variable by the other. We use the equation that has first degree. We say y plus 2x equal 4. We can replace or can express y equal 4 minus 2x. Y equal 4 minus 2x. We replace this value in the first equation that has second degree. We know that x multiply y equal to, we replace the y by the value of the bracket 4 minus 2x. يبقى we get x times the bracket 4 minus 2x equal to, we expanded it by distributing the value of x on the bracket. يبقى x multiply 4, we get 4x. x multiply negative 2x, we get negative 2x power 2 equal to, we simplify and we create the left, the right hand side, it will be 0 to solve the equation. But 2x power 2 minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. We can use it by factorization. This factorization, we divide the first equation, this equation, we divide to simplify it, we divide each of term by 2. We get x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. We know that x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square. We can factorize it by one bracket all power 2. It will be x minus y all power 2. يبقى here x equal 1. x equal 1. يبقى now we know that x equal 1, and we say before y equal 4 minus 2x. يبقى it will be what? يبقى 4 minus 2 multiply 1. يبقى 4 minus 2 equal ايه؟ 2. يبقى y equal 2. يبقى the two numbers are 1 and 2. We to check the answer. The first statement, the root of two numbers 2, يبقى 1 multiply 2 equal 2. It is right. It is right now. And the other statement, the greatest added to twice to the smallest. What is the greatest here is 2. يبقى 2 plus twice the smallest. يبقى 2 times the smallest times the 1. We get what? We get 4. Now these two equations are right. This is our lesson today. Our lesson today, we solve two equations. One of them in first degree has two variables, and the second equation in second degree has two variables. Thank you for all.